Hi, Charlie. What are you doing? Crawling on the floor?
Come see Mommy. Come here.
Oh, watch the head. Oh,
Charlie,
taking a nap.
Take a little break. Take a little break. Come on. Come here. Boy, she gets around.
Yeah, she does.
Come on.
Oh, she's distracted. Oh, here we go.
You coming? Come on. Yeah, it's hard work.
Over here, watch the chair.
Come here, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Keep trying.
There's a doggy. Hi, doggy.
Keep trying. Keep trying. Don't give up. You'll get it right.
I'd rather you just carry me.
Come on. Come here, baby. Come on, Charlie. You can do it. You can do it. Come on.
Not you, Eppy.
No, Abby, get.
Come on, sweetie. Oh. Oh.
Hard work. It seems like so far.
She's doing it. She's frustrated. Come to Mommy. Come to Mommy. Yay. Oh, it's slippery.
Yay, you're almost here. Almost here. Come on.
Complaining the whole way. But it's hard. But
Come here.
Come on, sweetie. Come on.
Come on.
Yay. Yay. Look at you.
She's strong. Look at you. Look at you.
Yay.
You did it. Yay, you did
Good job.
it.